Now, children will see different newspapers, regional newspapers, which were published before pre-independence era. And children, already I have told you in a previous class that these newspapers, they played a very important role in uh, combining or in joining the people together during the freedom struggle. So now we will see Darpan. The newspaper Darpan, it was started in 1832 in Mumbai. Bal Shastri Jambekar was the editor of Darpan. मराठी वृत्तपत्रसृष्टी आणि मराठी भाषेतील पहिले वृत्तपत्र दर्पण ये संस्थापक मराठी भाषा पत्रकारिता तथा मराठी समाचार पत्र दर्पण के संस्थापक, द फाउंडर ऑफ मराठी लैंग्वेज जर्नलिज्म एंड मराठी न्यूज़पेपर दर्पण 6 जनवरी 1832. ठीक है. आचार्य बाल शास्त्री जांबेकर, ही वॉज द person who was behind this newspaper. So now we'll see Darpan. So this slide we will see so many newspapers before pre-independence era. So Darpan was one of them. Darpan बाल शास्त्री जांबेकर, मराठी बाल शास्त्री जांबेकर, उसमें भी लिखा, मराठी लैंग्वेज में भी लिखा है. 6 January 1812, 18th May 1846. So it was published during the year 1812 to 1846. Is also known as father of Marathi journalism for its efforts in starting journalism in Marathi language, with the first newspaper in the language named Darpan in the early days of British rule in India. The first issue of Darpan was published on 6 January 1832. The newspaper was printed both in English and Marathi language in two separate columns. Marathi was meant for the general public and English was meant for the ruling British. It was priced at rupees 1 rupee. Newspaper was a new idea in India at that time. Hence, there were very few subscribers in the beginning, but slowly people appreciated it and agreed with the thought expressed in it. The leadership grew and it was published for 8.5 years. The first issue was published in July 18. The last issue was published in July 1840. So this was about Darpan. So children, this was the main aim of newspaper which was published during that time was to communicate with common people. Understood? Because people, they were unaware of the rules, policies of Britishers, and these people, these leaders, they actually wanted to make aware the people what was going on in our country. So these type of newspaper, the local regional newspapers, they played a very important role in pre-independence era. Understood? Today also newspapers, they played a very important role. They are the pillar of democracy. So now we will see what was the social impact of Darpan. ठीक है. दर्पण पब्लिश होने के बाद में लोगों में उसका क्या असर हुआ, क्या इम्पैक्ट हुआ. He specifically dealt with the issue of widow remarriages in his newspapers. See, already I told you that these newspapers, they played a very important role to make aware the people. Understood? Now we'll see one by one. He specifically dealt with the issue of widow remarriages in his newspaper. He tried to develop a scientific set of mind in the masses of uneducated India. This resulted in a large-scale debate in the society and finally in a movement for the support of widow remarriage. He passionately desired that the knowledge should percolate in the society, and Darpan was one of the means to this end. He was aware that the country could only progress with the use of scientific knowledge and a rational outlook towards social problems. He wanted to build a society having scientific outlook. He was one of those social activists who made continuous effort in generating useful and healthy conscience among the common masses and attempted to educate the uneducated. His never dying talent and endeavour left a stamp over not only Maharashtrian public but across India as a distinguished social reformer and journalist. समझ में आया? So this was the impact of Darpan newspaper, which was published in Mumbai during that time. Understood? So newspaper on the whole, newspaper, they played a very important role to make aware the people. Understood? So which was very important for the freedom struggle. Now we'll see what type of titles was published during that time in this newspaper. The accounts of expenditure from the three administrative divisions of the East India Company, the danger of Russian attack on the nation, appointment of a committee for cleanliness of the city, remarriage of Hindu widows, the inception of theatre at Calcutta, achievements of Raja Ram Mohan Roy in England. All this news throws light on various historical events on those days. तो जैसे आजकल हम लोग के न्यूज़पेपर में जो इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट्स होते हैं वो जैसे पब्लिश होते हैं, जो इम्पोर्टेंट हेडलाइन जो हम लोग जब बोलते हैं कि टुडेज़ हेडलाइन, सो ये जो हेडलाइंस थे उस समय दर्पण न्यूज़पेपर्स में, दर्पण न्यूज़पेपर में ऐसे हेडलाइंस आते थे. ठीक है? अंडरस्टूड?